Welcome back guys to my channel Cracking Aptitude. Currently we are discussing permutations, and if you haven't seen my earlier tutorial on permutations, then I've given the link to them in the description below. There are 3 tutorials, and I would suggest if you go and watch those tutorials first, get your basics clear, and then come back to this one so that it would be easy for you to understand this tutorial. So let's get started with today's topic by taking an example. A question that says there are 6 cars and 3 bikes to be parked in a row such that no 2 bikes should be put together. In how many different ways can it be done? So first of all, there are 6 cars which can be parked among themselves in any ways, because there is no condition for parking these 6 cars, so they can be parked among themselves in 6 factorial ways by basic formula of permutation. But for 3 bikes, let's see how these 3 bikes can be, in how many different ways can these 3 bikes be parked. So here I have written C in green, that represents cars. There are 6 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and there are red dots or circles that I have put in between these cars. There are 7, and these 3 bikes can occupy any of these 7 places in between the cars so that no 2 bikes are parked together. So by formula, these 3 bikes can occupy any of these 7 places in 73 different ways by formula of permutation, and the 6 cars can be parked among themselves in 6 factorial ways. So the total ways in which all these vehicles could be parked so that no 2 bikes should be together would be 73 into 6 factorial, and that would be equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial into 6 factorial, and which would be further written as 7 factorial upon 4 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. I have stopped at 4 factorial because there is a 4 factorial in the denominator, and that 4 factorial in the denominator could be cancelled with the 4 factorial in the numerator, and we would be left with 7 factorial into 6 into 5, and when you solve that, it would be 1,51,200 different ways. 152100, 1,51,200 different ways. So 6 cars and 3 bikes can be parked in a row in such a way that no 2 bikes should be together. So these can be done in 1,51,200 different ways. Very simple. So what I wanted to ask you guys now is that what would happen if these 6 cars and 3 bikes were supposed to be parked in a circle rather than a row? What would happen? What formula would you apply, or how would you apply it? And this is what I'm going to teach you in the next tutorial about permutations. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.